Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 70s van. This is new for 2023 and this is basically from the A case of 2023. Number 2 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Art Cars and number 16 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is one of the van type of castings. You normally see vans in Hot Wheels mainline and also some RLCs, mainly in RLCs basically. So basically this is a van that is that came out in art cars, surprisingly, and I like how they use the art cars main look for the van. I mean, like, this should have been a casting before this. They should have thought about this earlier. And here they are. They released this van with a ton of words on the side of the van itself. I mean, like, sure, it's a van without any windows on the side, so why not they just do this? I mean, like, it's pretty good. So yeah, let's take a look at the van itself. I like that they released this first in white. I know there's a Zemek one after this, supposedly. I think it's already released before. I mean now. Not sure yet. Maybe it does. Maybe they did release it. I'm not sure. Here we have the van with a lot of text on the side, actually. A lot of alphabets on the side. As you can see, the first thing on the top, you can see literally their brand name, Mattel, the supplier for Hot Wheels. They've done a lot of things for us. They've released Hot Wheels, they've released Matchbox, they released Barbie and so on, maybe like Thomas and Friends or whatever. Yeah, they've released many things throughout the past. And then we have some random alphabets, and then we have the N, which is the highlight of the whole van itself. At the bottom here we have an R suddenly over here. I don't know why is that there. And then we have Hot Wheels, which is good. And then I don't know what's this supposed to be. It says 8 cars. Hold on, let me check. Wait. So I know this is a 2 out of 10 from Hot Wheels art cars, but don't know why it says 8 cars. Maybe like there's 8 more cars to go, question mark? I think that's what it meant by that. Tiny Hot Wheels logo at the front there, looks pretty good. You have some wheels right here, some big wheels and some small wheels at the front. Basically the rims are gray, as you can see right there. Looks pretty good. For the front, you have the front grille, which is fully chrome and not colored. Basically no colored headlights or no colored grille, as you can see right there. Hood is completely empty, I understand that. For the interior, can you even see what the interior is? Oh yeah, it's black. So the interior is basically black. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Maybe you can see from the side. You can see it a bit, but still, yeah, there's the interior right there. Here's the top. Now I can see it says hot on top. I don't know why. Then AMW, sorry, I'm not thinking about AMW or anything. And then it says ARL here. Hey, RL. Okay. What else? Are you supposed to read it diagonally or vertically? I'm not so sure. Or maybe you're supposed to like read it horizontally or vertically. I'm not sure. But I do see a bit of Hot Wheels right there. That's what I'm understanding. But I don't know why is there hot here. Oh, now I get it. So you're supposed to read it Hot Wheels, supposedly, I think. And then there's the N, the highlight of the words. On the left side, you have some different alphabets, as you can see right here. Some random words right here, N over here. And then you have since 1968. Yeah, so basically 1968 means where Hot Wheels began. Sorry. So this is where Hot Wheels began in 1968, and yes, they've done it on the car itself. So it makes sense here. Hot Wheels since 1968, which is quite an interesting Easter egg, I would say. Hot Wheels right there. Then empty back, you don't have to say it. You already know it. Oh, I haven't showed the base, I forgot. So it has a chrome base right here. I don't want to get any glare on here. Made in Malaysia. What else? I couldn't even read. Okay, 1974 and 2013 Mattel. 70s van, and yeah, that's it. So this is quite an old casting. It has been released before, and ever since that, they haven't used it till 2013, which is quite impressive. I mean, like for a metal car like this, which is like literally heavy, if I carry this around, it would be very heavy. I mean, like for a standard Hot Wheels model, I'm surprised that this was quite heavier than any other van. I mean, I used to have the Dodge van, the normal version, and it wasn't this heavy. Turns out this is way more heavier. Even though the base is plastic, the body itself weighs a lot. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.